Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to keeping your HVAC system running smooth without blowing your budget on repairs. So, superheat is basically how much the refrigerant vapor heats up after it leaves the evaporator coil, and subcooling is how much the refrigerant liquid cools down after it leaves the condenser coil. When you're checking superheat, you want to measure the temperature difference between the actual refrigerant vapor and its saturation temperature at the evaporator outlet. Total superheat means you're measuring the vapor line temperature over at the outdoor unit, while evaporator superheat is just the temperature change right through the coil itself. Subcooling's kind of the opposite. It tells you if the refrigerant is fully condensed before it heads back into the expansion valve, so you know the system isn't starving for refrigerant or overcharged. Keep in mind, both superheat and subcooling numbers are crucial for diagnosing if your system is charging properly or if there are restrictions or leaks. You can use a digital manifold gauge set to get these readings without stressing yourself out. Always compare your readings to the manufacturer's specs. They usually give a range for what's normal. If you're new to this, take it slow and double-check your numbers before making adjustments. One of the biggest mistakes is confusing total superheat with evaporator superheat. Mixing these up can lead to wrong diagnoses and charging errors. Fix that by always noting where you take your temperature readings. Total superheat is at the outdoor vapor line. Evaporator superheat right at the coil outlet. Another common issue is ignoring subcooling levels. If subcooling is too low or high, it means refrigerant charge problems. To fix this, measure subcooling at the condenser outlet and adjust refrigerant charge accordingly. Lastly, many folks skip comparing their readings to manufacturer specs and just guess. This usually leads to overcharging or undercharging. Always have those specs handy and stick to them for accurate system performance. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors easy for homeowners who want quality work without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.